In this video, we will learn how to use if command in Excel. So back to our previous example. Usually when we give students the final score, we will change the percentage to later grade. For example, here is the rules. If the student's percentage is larger than 0.9, we will give the students A. And for students, their percentage is between 0.8 to 0.9, we will give students B. So far, so and just follow this rule. So how can we do this in Excel? Usually we need to use if command. This is a very convenient command for us to do that. So the usage of if command is, first we need to type the logical test. For example, in our exam, in this case, the logic should be about percentage, whether this percentage is larger than a certain value that we set up before. And then, based on this logic, if the value is satisfying this logic, we will return to the first value. If it is not, we will return the second value. We type it here. So this is a very easy example. So for example, if whether the value in C2 is equal to yes, if it is, we will return 1. If it is not, we will return 2. And one more thing we need to be careful here is, usually we have multiple logic. Like in this example, we have so many values to set up. What should we do? We can give more logic for the second part. So basically for each value, we can type another if command here. So here is the answer for what we for this question, how to change the percentage to later grade. The answer is, for example, if we want to change F2, this is the value F2. We need to see whether F2 less than 0.6. If it is, we should give the student E. Okay, let's go on. If it is not, so we will go to another if command, and we will see whether this value, if it's larger than 0.6, whether it is also less than 0.7. If it is, give student D, and follow the same logic. We will get the letter grade for each student. So here I will type the command. So also start with equal. And I already typed it there. So now you can see it changed it. It automatically helps us generate the later grade for each student. So this is the if command.